lets you email links to files and folders using your Windows Microsoft Outlook application. When you use the Outlook add-in, you can share links to synced items, as well as local content, directly from within your email platform. Benefits of the Outlook add-in include easily send links, rather than standard attachments, to large files and folders. Optionally, password protect your content by sending secure share links. And because the Outlook add-in tracks the content you have shared in a Shared Items synced folder, you can always retrieve these sent items without needing to browse your email client. Before you can use the Outlook add-in, you must first download it from the web portal. In the download page, click the Outlook button. When the file finishes downloading, make sure Microsoft Outlook is closed and click the installation file to launch the setup wizard. In the License Agreement screen, click the I accept the agreement radio button to continue. In the Installation Directory screen, select the location where you want the installation files to reside on your local machine. In most instances, you can accept this default location. When the setup wizard completes, click the Finish button. After you install the Outlook add-in, you can open your Microsoft Outlook application. You will then be prompted to register the Outlook add-in to your account and to configure default share settings. First, enter your username and password. Then, select default settings for how you share links. For example, click the Notify on Download checkbox to send notifications when a share is downloaded by a recipient. Click the Download Limit checkbox and enter a number to limit how many times your shares are downloaded by each recipient. Click the Expire Share After checkbox and enter a number of days to set a share to expire after a certain time period. Click the Secure Share by Default checkbox to send all content as secure shares. If this option is selected, all recipients will be required to log in to access your shared content. If a recipient does not have an existing username and password to access the system, a guest account will automatically be created for this new user. In the next screen, set default attachment policies. For example, click the Automatic Radio button to automatically convert attachments to share links if a file is over a certain size. Click the Always Use for Attachments radio button to automatically convert all attachments to share links. Or click the Advanced Radio button to only use the Outlook add-in when you decide to use it. You can also uncheck the Use Default Folder checkbox to store converted attachments in a custom synced folder. When the wizard completes, click the Finish button. You can always click the Outlook Home tab and select the Settings button to change these default configuration settings. Using the Outlook add-in is easy. In your email messages, you will see an Attach button. Click this button to send a file. In the Account Browser dialog box, select the content you want to share. To attach a file stored in a team share, click to expand the Team Shares folder, or click to expand the My Files folder to attach a synced file that does not exist in a team share, for example, a personal file or folder. To send a file from your local machine, click to expand this PC. You can also change your share settings by clicking the Change Share Settings checkbox. If your email message already contains a standard attachment, for example, if you are forwarding an attachment from someone else, you can click the Attach drop-down arrow and select Convert to Sync Tool File. Any attached item will automatically convert to a share link.